Hi, Ashley here, founder of Oak & Ash. In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble the BEKA floor stand for their SG looms. This is the floor stand for the BEKA 20 and 24-inch original rigid Heddle looms. The pieces include, there's going to be 2 side feet and then a center crossbar for the bottom. And then these are the side legs. There's 2 long for in the back and 2 shorter go in the front. And each leg will have one of these metal brackets and then all sorts of hardware. To begin, I'm going to start building it from the bottom up. And I'll start with these bottom pieces that are notched. And the notches will go towards the back. Crossbar goes on top. The longer bolts are flat because you're going to be putting them up through the bottom. And then you add 1 washer in one of those. So the back side with the notches are for the longer legs. And then you want to make sure that you're putting it in with the slit facing forward because eventually the metal bracket will fit into here. Now we're going to put on the front leg. So you just want to make sure that when you get the leg on, that the slit on the front leg is facing the slit on the back leg. The back leg had the notches in it, so it helps it stand upright. And this one will kind of move. And so just to keep it from slamming down, I'm just gonna go ahead and lay it down while I do the same thing on the other side. So the next step is to add the metal brackets to each of the legs, and they have 3 holes in the metal. There's only 1 hole in the wood, and because these are meant for adjusting the height. So depending on your chair that you're going to be sitting at the loom, you may want it a little higher, a little shorter. I'm just going to go ahead and put it right in the middle. And so the last thing I like to do is to go through and make sure all of these wing nuts are nice and tight before I go ahead and attach the loom to the stand. To attach the loom to the stand, you'll have to loosen the knobs and you'll go ahead and you'll fit that bracket in between. So the bracket goes in between the knob and the loom. And you'll just do that on all 4 sides. You kind of want to shimmy it so that the washer stays on the side of the knob. For the front legs, you'll just simply move the leg, slide that in, and then tighten it. And now it's perfect to sit at on a weaving bench or a chair and do your weaving.